Because if you can protect yourself with a blower door, the fact that the attic is actually not truly encapsulated is not your fault as an HVAC contractor. That is the spray foam guy's fault or the builder's fault. And if you can test it and prove, hey, not my system, not my problem, you should fix the spray foam job that was hack, which by the way, you can't tell by looking at it. You have to test it. And this is where the testing thing just comes in so handy, because it's like you have a free pass as an HVAC contractor. If you could prove that it's an enclosure problem, it's not your problem. And I know people are like, I don't want my clients calling me. Yeah, of course they're going to call you, but there's ways to protect yourself against that. And there's ways to like sell your time as a consultant instead of just going out there for free. Because if you could do one test and find out like, not my problem, happy to help, but I'm not paying for this, then it makes everything easier.